In this video, we will explore a complete overview and basic introduction to the SAUTER modulo 6 system. Welcome to Insight Control System YouTube channel. Product overview. The Modulo 6 range enables you to combine heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and energy systems in one system. Modulo 6 is backward compatible in terms of program and network technology and will be available for a long time to come. This allows existing systems to be upgraded in budget-friendly stages. The modules have plug-in spring-type terminals and can be lined up in front of each other. A total of up to 24 modules are possible. Automation station. The Module 680AS and 660AS automation station is a modular, freely programmable BAC net building controller for the automation of HVAC and room automation applications. The device supports the BAC net IP system bus via LAN connection. Optionally, the encoded communication protocol BAC net SC can be activated, including hub functionality. Input-output modules. The SAUTER modulo 6 system offers a wide range of I/O modules designed to extend the functionality of its automation stations, including Module 660AS, Module 680AS, and the Module 612LC. The SAUTER modulo 6 system provides various I/O modules to support different field requirements. Each module is designed with specific input and output configurations for flexible building automation applications. I/O module types. Module 630I/O. This module includes 16 channels, which can be used as digital inputs or counter inputs. Module 631I/O. It provides 8 universal inputs and 8 digital inputs, allowing both analog and digital signal processing. Module 650I/O. This module features 6 relay outputs, suitable for controlling external devices like motors or valves. Module 670I/O. It offers 8 digital inputs and 8 counter inputs, ideal for pulse counting and status monitoring. Module 671I/O. This module includes 8 analog outputs and 8 digital inputs for combined control and monitoring applications. Module 672I/O. It provides 4 analog outputs, 4 digital outputs, and 8 universal inputs, making it a versatile mixed I/O module. Local operating interface. The Universal Local Operating Interface, featuring a high-resolution graphic color display, allows for both viewing and operation. The local operating interface for priority operation is plugged into an I/O module and immediately shows all the relevant data of the module in real time. The compact device is operated using 4 buttons. The I/O signals are displayed graphically and numerically. The small display can also map and show the course of analog and digital signals over time. Integration solution. Module 630RT. It can be used as a router between 2 BAC networks. The device also supports the BAC Net Secure Connect Hub functionality. Module 612LC. I/O and COM modules can be installed decentrally with the Module 612LC IP coupler. The data is exchanged between the IP coupler and the associated Modulo 6 automation station via the IP network. Module 601LC. It allows the I/O modules to be powered separately from the automation station. This ensures that outputs retain a certain status value. For example, the default value defined in the engineering or the value set manually via the local operating interface. Module 602LC. It allows Module series I/O modules to be distributed over up to 3 lines. Module 602LC consists of a transmitter and a receiver module. Communication module. Module 620 and 630CM. This communication module is used to extend the Modulo 6 automation stations. It is used to integrate third-party products on the automation level in operational systems, such as HVAC engineering. The Module 630CM module is designed for M-bus communication. The Module 620CM module is designed Modbus RTU communication, data integrity. The Module 615BM building. Data Integrity Manager and Web Server periodically checks the integrity of the static data in a predefined group of compatible automation stations. The check is performed via an integrity chain. This video provided a basic overview of the SAUTER modulo 6 system family devices. In upcoming videos, we will cover the full technical specifications of each device in detail. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.